I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I promise you there are very interesting videos coming. Hello hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers, this is your boy I.am.Will, and I'm going to start today's video with an apology. I'd like to apologize for not uploading a video in a while. It's not been a very easy period of time for me since I haven't uploaded a video. I was involved in a road traffic accident. Back then the experience was I thought I was going to die. Thankfully nothing like that happened. Though I didn't sustain any life-threatening injuries, I still sustain injuries to the fingers, to my neck and to my back as well, which meant that when I sit on a desk in a chair for a while, I start feeling a burning sensation down my neck, to my spine as well as my back, so then I have to switch onto the bed. So it's been a movement between the bed and walking around to get some mobility back. So yeah, unfortunately that's what has happened since the last video. So what I was actually planning to do this summer was to do videos. So a lot of my clients from the past, I was supposed to give their garden a facelift. I was going to do a lot of gardening videos as well as DIY, but it's not too late. I'm kind of beginning to regain some sort of mobility, but I have to pace myself and slow it down. So unfortunately I haven't done any video as a result of this accident, but I promise you that once I've gained full mobility and I have no complaints, there are a lot of videos coming, interesting videos, and I made a list of videos you're supposed to be expecting from me once I can start editing the video again, or I can start editing videos again. I've got tons of videos on my laptop right now waiting to be edited. So this is a sort of a teaser on what you should be expecting. So I built a homemade incubator to hatch my own eggs, and I built one out of a carton box, which was about 200 egg capacity, and then I built one out of wood, which was about 500 egg capacity, and then I also built one which was over 3,000 egg capacity. I also built a brooder pen, a multi-story brooder pen. I'm very proud of that construction, and you should see that video when it comes up. Obviously I did videos on how to hatch your own eggs, so you don't have to buy your own day-old chicks. I did a video on how to sex your chicks, or find or determine the sex of your chicks. There are some chicks you can determine their sex on day 1, some you can determine after 5 days, some after 10 days, or even later on. So those videos you should look out for. Also some of the very basic things you should look out for to determine why your chicks are dying. So I have very simple tricks and tips on how you can prevent your day-old chicks from dying. There's a video on that. Also there is a video, so I've got the list here. So there is a video on how to make a very simple drinking bowl for your chicks. You don't have to buy, you can make it with very simple materials. So also there is an update on the snail farm. So there is a new addition to the snail farm, so you should look out for that one. And then I also decided to get into goat farming. So I have a male goat, and I decided to buy 2 female goats, and a few other very interesting videos. All I'm saying is I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I promise you there are very interesting videos coming.